Top hotels in Jamaica for kids. If you want to treat your kids to an all-inclusive resort experience, you can't go wrong with Ocean Coral Spring Resort. This hotel is located in Mountain Spring Bay, about 30 minutes from Montego Bay Airport. It features a stunning beach, a huge pool complex with slides and waterfalls, a kids club, a teen club, and a spa. You'll also have access to 10 restaurants and bars, serving cuisines from around the world. The rooms are spacious and elegant, with balconies or terraces overlooking the sea or the garden. Hilton Rose Hall Resort and Spa. Another great option for an all-inclusive resort is the Hilton Rose Hall Resort and Spa. This hotel is set on a former sugar plantation in Montego Bay and boasts its own private beach, golf course, and water park. The water park is a highlight for kids, as it features a lazy river, a wave pool, and several slides. The hotel also offers a kids club, a teen zone, and nightly entertainment.